The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
No, I'm going to say fat, I say big. A woman fat. A woman fat. A woman fat. Man big, a man thick. You see how me big? You see me? My clothes are chop off for you, know.
Go plant. We did want to put this star apple up there. No star apple up there. I have star apple. Hey, can you please take one of me, you know what this, right? Passion fruit.
Passion fruit is every kitchen around.
So you don't can't take this.
Can put that in this, because I don't go potting right there.
No, but me plant them around. So.
They come like I say you move to come to Jamaica, man. If you buy your milk, you plant. I get that blown out jackfruit along so.
That's from Rye.
Which Rye?
So what you say, I can't plant yam?
What you mean? Where did you learn plant it? They were there one whole time.
I don't just that, I want it to start multiply. I don't really for eat. I when me there, our mommy. Instead of trouble nobody, we have one thing. You see what I say? And me give her the yam. And we get some Ghost Michelle and some different one.
Momsy! No, run it especially. Up as one now.
Kind people.
Kind people, they both.
Everybody are
Be kind people.
doing things. So when the tourists
Spur them see how you.
Put that on.
Kind people them. Philip down there so. Kind people them.
when the tourists them come soon now.
Yeah man. Kind people man. Be a kind people, then look out for them one another and look out for the younger generation. You have to look out for the younger set of youth them.
Come in and give one.
You get them I say?
Yeah.
Yeah man.
I saw you roll on you. I saw you roll on you so now. You're going left, right, and sideways.
I'm a friend.
Let me see.
Oh, my little trees see me.
You also have to face if you feel offended by the camera, you feel offended by it.
Eh? Yeah, man, Chris, you don't know people. I tell you.
Pops, you're a big man for me. You got Philip here that you name food. Enough man
Yeah,
Philip
man.
usually.
I prepare to go in, man.
Enough man Philip usually.
You gonna say you said that?
No.
Stop going at this show. You see the show go on?
Yeah. No man, enough people Philip help man. No matter what, they man they build sound and give you opportunity. Because see like when you say a people mind. I'm tell you say me straightforward now, brother.
Just let me cook cabbage just
Yes.
Around them for you, say me cook cabbage, man.
Yesterday.
Me have to explain myself.
Come in, let's.
You see run a Betty yard them there so. Around there so everybody usually.
Massage.
And massage yard.
Them yard
2 yard over there so.
Food cook this area again.
And then I cook for one somebody are who they are yard. Everybody them a cook for.
Everybody are pass.
So what you grow on that for? You see me? And then everybody cook everybody bad man. Then the people that we know then the people that grow up.
What do you both of you agree on and disagree on? Two on one always.
Real thing, man.
You see me?
And me do the same thing.
I can't call my friends see here.
Because we don't know difference.
There are no differences. But I tell you the truth.
Let me ask you one question. Come and notice this a lot. It seems like me not go generalize Jamaican men, but it seems like men talk behind man back
No.
a certain way.
No man.
Yes or no, Blocker?
No, true thing. I real
Man
talk.
talk behind man back, but me
Man talk behind.
anything where I say right, that's
But I write it, alright. Me and this one have a difference is I say, yo, the banana spoil. We supposed to cause over a banana. Because I say banana no good. Or the banana this, or the banana that, or the banana if quarrel over, nothing else different. Or the banana we have a difference with it.
Chama know say you will meet a brethren, right? And you meet the brethren and him have another brethren. And you go to the brethren and him a tell you about the other brethren already before you even know the man.
No, me know that.
But you witness that?
Me witness that whole it, man. But you know, if you whole lot has no sitting still.
I just say it go.
If you have a real friend, I just say you have a real friend, you know. You see me? That means that your real friend can grow on a man where you no parry or no deal with none at all. But him now go deal with you for no way. You hear that the man there talk so sitting, we say, yo, you talk about my you don't see me and the man am my virgin. You can't talk them sitting there, what's like I'm there so. You can't talk them sitting there. You talk them sitting there, no, I mean not even know about them sitting there.
Yeah.
What kind of proof you have?
So what makes a real friend? Because right now in Jamaica, friend a kill friend. So what makes a real friend?
Make a real friend. Alright.
Because you say you're not a friend.
No, because if you make no differences.
Alright.
I'm not involved in a female life. I'm not involved in a female life. And the friendship life we in. And there's a friendship there. You get them say? Get real. In a business with me, I'm in a business with him. Although we are friends, you know. My personal space and my personal space. Female personal space and female personal space. More time I come around here, I say, oh, dog, you know. I say, shouting that, I say, dog, you know, where you there? He say, I sleep. Dog, you know, sleep. I push him come from where you do, wake him up. What if you go and sleep? He pass for me, I go check. He pass for me, I didn't call me, you know, hear me. He say, oh, boy, bigs are going to sleep, man. Me ain't book up around this, so we still have reason to see him, you still go and talk. You see me? You know, provoking.
So is Blocker one of the most article person? What makes him different from everybody around here, so?
Oh, Blocker.
That
Doginal, we call him, you know.
Doginal?
Doginal, we call him.
Them wife to right there, so you can't call him that.
No, me tell you a dog, you know, me call him a dog, they ain't call him, you know.
A dog?
If him down the road, I may call him a dog, we call him.
No, people call him dog. No, people start differentiate dog in a different way. You know, but dog have different meaning, you know. This a dog and yam shit.
Oh!
Get me straight now.
Yes.
Some dog yam shit, you know, get a pit bull yam shit, you know.
Ooh.
Let me say, you know, get a Rottweiler yam shit, you know, get a none of them purebred dog, yam shit.
Chihuahua.
Nah, man, Chihuahua yam no shit, man. You have a shit in a film, you have a nasty shit, make him yummy. You make him think you food.
You should shoot them, the mongrel one, you have mongrel.
A mongrel now. The man don't know common dog. The man dog, that's why I call him Doginal.
Big breed dog.
Doginal.
Doginal.
Are you create the name?
No, I want artist to sip Magnum Kings and Queen one night. And he call himself Doginal. My friend named Dog. I say, oh, we not just call him Dog so. Because Dog name shit. You have to put on the null for it. Doginal.
Like a general.
A general.
So Coinal them would I call you?
No, sir.
A joke. What would I call you? A serious name. What makes you Thais? What the whole world, some are gonna love you, some are gonna hate you. But me no know say them have to go appreciate you. Why them are gonna appreciate you, not hate you? Tell me why.
Well, I would know why.
What makes you special?
Because I'm a Thais.
What month you born?
March.
You have a teeth nothing?
Yes.
You see that, man? It's real. You ever go jail yet?
No.
Okay, but your teeth and get where?
My teeth are big nothing and a big
A little thing.
A petty thief.
Your man money. So Thais, what do you love about Doginal? Blocker. What you love about him? Because you could have left him long time for enough, man, right?
I don't even know. Everything. But sometimes he get me.
It's a relationship thing, man.
But you love him.
The calmness about him and that you know talk enough. You know like that.
You know like say no talk enough.
You must chat and vice yourself.
Come here, Doginal. Let's put on the chair. This is a family marriage council right now. Come sit down yourself.
Somebody like somebody do you something.
Come sit down right there.
Somebody do you something. You're not, sit down.
No.
Let them accost you.
No.
Defend yourself.
No.
Whoa.
No. Me understand.
Talk to me.
And everybody aggressive. Sometimes you have to see people and make nice and make them galang, but they busy with their Sometimes you have to humble. No. And so you see, alright, you see it now?
Maybe you born on the moon and I'm born on the
No,
star.
you see it now? No, you see it now? And that's how you see me and this one in general. You see me? What you talking, you listen to talking bad man. You depend on your own, you have your own ambition, your own goals with your depend. And that you aim for. You them alright, you them go to school, get good education.
Yeah.
You see me?
Blacker, come out in the light, now you're black, you know, come. See, me can't even see your face, you know, come over here, man.
Nah, we talk, you know.
No, me can't see you.
No, we talk, no worry for nothing, brother.
Blacker don't like
No worry for nothing. No worry for nothing, bad man.
He don't like the spotlight.
You see me? Because he know where he might go and he know where he might aim for. Work hard. The money work hard.
You work hard?
Yeah,
enough time I come and see my gambling.
You do what?
Not broad daylight, you know.
Enjoy myself, man. When they see
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Well, I know.
Every week.
Well, I know. They say you can't judge a book by cover, you know. They say you can't judge a book by cover, you know. They say judge it, you know. But they say there's a wrong place and a wrong time, you know. At the time when you go catch him when he's comfortable. You see, when you come at the you say, man.
Oh, so a vacation.
On a vacation at the time when you go ease off.
Okay.
When you come catch him at the weather, you might see pop up over the hills over this. And you know, say over the same work. Rain go fall. Remember, say the man a farmer, you know. They study the weather patterns here where like the man they were sitting on the computers, you know. No man have to tell them nothing, their grandfather, their father.
Just know
and
it.
Send on the generation with a generation pass down, say yo, anytime the cloud black over this, so. You know, say rain go fall. Over the same farm, you never go over this, so when you see him come and you see my gambler, and you see cloud over this so dark. Rain can fall over there, rain can fall there, no?
So you put a
2 mile and 3 mile, you walk go in a farm, go bush, you know, man.
2 teaspoons?
If you go farm, you know. By the time you reach a farm, you're tired.
So you put 4 teaspoons?
So I put 2 big spoons.
Because we must say no road, no cut garden on the farm, you know. I walk, then walk. 2 and 3 mile. You know what me talk about?
Just we go.
Just reach at the farm and then figure work.
How much acres your farm, dog, you know?
Huh? Where's that tape measurement on it? Just work, man. I don't know how much you call them. Just do work. Plant everything.
Broke up in land space.
You come on my bush, come and say me a carrot. You get turnip, you get anything where you want it. You see pumpkin did the sweet potato did the everything I'm
for you have you seed the planty.
Everything I'm
so you want, so how
you take a picture of my weed?
Eh?
You take a weed tree them?
I don't think so. No.
So when I take go show you weed tree them.
So
I think button weed in my car.
Guys, you have to agree about the weed.
So what makes your wife awesome?
In cool, man.
In cool?
In one way, man.
In one way? You can't express that to the world. There's no words to put
no, but you know, I mean, if you understand, you see, I try if you see where a next man appreciates us as somebody. But you can't find that.
Oh.
Can't explain because when you find out as somebody, you know somebody else can't find out as somebody. Somebody might bring you joy and happiness. One next man, he bring you sadness and pain, but you still love him, love her or she, or him or whatever, because you love everybody. Because Christ don't tell you already, you have to love yourself before you love nobody else, you know. No, you have to love yourself, you know. And show love generally, you know. You get me, I say? You youth, them and everything, and them and the generation, you have to show them love. Them that them have to grow with. No hatred, none. You understand me, I say? Yeah, say, man.
So round here, so in Norway, it's slow. What you do for fun? You just drink, bingo, jackpot, music, woman, smoke. No, me just ask.
Every man have their own thing for enjoyment. Ask this man where me enjoy myself. Don't ask him where me or me enjoy myself. Just ask him.
Drink to rum, burn to weed and talk.
And if on my phone, I'll watch YouTube.
Okay.
This man I might play 1-2 game or something. And then you go come over the sun. And every man have a different thing. You enjoy themselves. Some man don't go out. He not gonna enjoy himself see away. He no smoke, he no drink neither. But he cook food. He play
So
clean.
200 chef.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Them a cooker.
So them can hire 200 anywhere in the country and just
Anyway, man.
Anyway.
top restaurant you cook.
Yeah, man.
Best in the world, man. Sunset Jamaica Grand Ochi.
Yeah, sir. That's a bigs.
Certified chef.
Certified. So any woman want fly in and bring you at the hotel for cook for them.
All that too.
No, I know so me I say.
Eh?
But that's what you say.
No, man, but if you want to bring me to hotel now, me can cook all past stone, you know, man.
And you do the manage water.
Yeah, man.
Which are your dish are the wickedest what people ball out for?
You always cook, yeah.
Curry pork.
The curry pork? Curry pork. The original curry pork is a whole business that. And which dish you cook with them ball out for?
Any Chinese food, man.
So you're the China food expert?
Yeah, Jamaican Chinese, man.
You have to go to the market and you buy the thing them?
Yeah, man, we get the thing them off, man.
Yeah, so, man.
Chinese ingredients, them man.
So you can tour guide the people them all over the country.
Yeah, man.
Drive, if they rent the car, you can drive the woman and protect her.
Yes, man.
And cook for her.
Cook for her. But tell us how you know, how you know. When you got a place and man see you, and you don't know him. But him know you. Police stop me already, you know. And see me shoes and say, the part of Manchester you come from, man. Can you see me ID and sit in, you know. Me say at the part where the red dot no there, man. I must say, oh, come the rules and you come Mandeville. You know the red dot side between Mandeville, South Manchester. This is a red dot. You get me I say? So this is him know. Sometimes in Manchester we party the side me kinda listen backside no really take them the land there. Backside low them the land there and gone.
So the land is not too red?
No, you know red.
No.
And no clear neither.
This wouldn't stick by your foot if you walk in it.
Black dot.
So this is Biggs and Blocker and Thais. And we call him Doginal.
Doginal.
You see me? So when you get famous, you not go deal with it. Cause you know, say woman I go call you. How you go deal when so much woman start calling and say, you know?
Hey, woman love a loyal man too, you know.
Yeah.
And when he can't get through, you're persistent and make him go and be persistent, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Cause that's how it have to go.
Don't get too famous and change up, you know.
Famous. The dog get famous and change the boat.
Thais, what is your dream in life?
Businesswoman.
What you say now?
I'm gonna become a great businesswoman.
Like what kind of business?
You look a shop.
Buy and sell?
Yeah.
So if a woman call you for ship some things for you and say, hit the road with it, you ready for that?
Yes.
Doggy now, she's a good businesswoman.
Can't do much.
And she run your money.
That one can't do much.
And you know town good too.
She know town.
Yeah, man.
Which part of town
if
you
you
know?
can't find town, you know somebody who know town.
Which part of town you know?
Hey, like downtown Kingston, we don't know down there. So.
But if you know
But
somebody...
for Spanish town, if you go Stone Hill and so, I know my way around the way there. But like if you go downtown and so,
You like
Relax.
Kingston? You like
Don't
Kingston?
know place to go, man.
No.
Yeah, I don't know. I straight right now.
every time I go town, we go Spanish town and go halfway tree. Me never got town yet. No,
After you
never.
reach halfway tree, just go straight.
Yeah.
Downtown you reach.
No, but me not go downtown, no not
That's what
town.
Gaza, man.
It's when me go St. Catherine, then me go St. Andrew. Me not go down Kingston, down.
So you not really know Kingston then?
Me know up like St. Andrew, up Stony Hill and them place up there, so but down figure like Shortwood and them place there. But like downtown Kingston, no.
Okay.
So no, they too much pickpocket down there.
Whoa! You have to watch what you say now.
Yeah.
No, man, the one pickpocket really. You
Serious.
get robbed, man. Are you
A
fret?
serious thing.
What you talk about?
Man, lean up and you in a bus. I pick you.
No, you think I know you want to get to know you and things I see
I
you.
know I want to know you.
I don't know you want to know you. I rub you want to rub against if you take out your sit out of your pocket.
Your phone, your money.
Your phone and something you have to keep it distant. I want you, man.
No, you said that. Let me check me from my phone them.
No, run us. No, I see it. You see it, man.
No, man, me
You
not
left
go
the door.
downtown for
You
no
left the
reason,
door.
man.
You see, you left the door up in a place of bad, man. I don't invite no thief in a place, you know. But better say you left a place. To you safe.
Up here, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
I kind of know still.
Me left me weed pan stone there, so. Ganja. And come back and find it.
I left $2,000 there.
Enough time I leave my phone out.
I see him sick, I feel me think, if you bite the hand we feed you, if you do that, you can't bite hand we feed you. You're going dead if you're hungry, bad man. Come here, go have your nag you. Cook us bag of herb and sitting. But you go so boom and pinch me one time, you go watch your word, man. And you're not going to get the cookers bag of herb and me have. I will make you give you now, go get it. Because you know if you bite the hand we feed you, come here and say you don't even know me from Adam. I make you weed, make you whistle, make you grabber. You want to lie to me, G, take him, man. I don't know your situation, I don't question you about that. I don't know for me business neither. If you question you about your business, I know your I know your people. I know your people them. I know your people them. You get me I say? I know your people them,
By the
bad
time
man.
you look, go see him by one.
Know your people them, I know say your people them.
You go
Good
give
people.
him the money again.
Your people them live boy, yeah. They move go because you know say run slow already and them go out the road to make them money. I don't know what kind of circumstances reach in a life make you have to reach back here. So you get me?
Whoa, you say something wrong, all right.
Right.
It means I say something right. I don't know what and I mean if you question it neither.
True.
And I mean if you do it, you have to come if you know and know if you make your thing right, bad man. You see me? And you have to know what you are doing.
Come on, type, man.
Me can make it right for you, and you have to know what you are doing. What you are aim for. What your goal.
Half the goal.
You see me? So me no question you about that.
Me if you credit him one bread, and me say to him, say, I cannot just bring them bread here, so I go credit you quarter one big bread to $100. And he eat it and he don't want to pay me for it, I know he don't pay me, and that's why he can't come in here and tell him, don't come back.
The mind, me tell us that the mind.
And I go
you
tell
have,
him if you know the amount of
good
things
mind.
with him tea from me, so he can't come back in
You
here.
have to have money you use as an example, you know. They say they either learn from the man. They say mistake when you're making. The mistake when you're making, they learn from the mistake. And the next man mistake, you can learn from it. You see me? So if you see a man make a mistake and you say, what mistake you're making, when you're going to do the same mistake? You learn from a few mistake too and you learn from a few.
Oh, on a passion fruit.
Yes, sweet sap.
Who's gonna live big life?
Big life.
Hey, Blacks, you know have breadfruit.
$200.
So you know have breadfruit, can give me 2 breadfruit.
Yes, but who is going to take it?
Doggy don't apply with you.
This is doggy now.
Oh.
You have to go for a chili, man.
This is like,
You don't have no long... You don't have no extend.
Yeah, we have to go for the ears and so tripe and you know.
So cook...
Yeah, look at you and we shoot.
cook out.
Yeah. And we don't cook like chicken and they sit there by a shop.
Yeah.
Let our boss scrap parts we get from Uncle Basil them.
Basil, I remember the name there.
You talk about man.
crap.
You see me when we can't talk about them man. The Uncle Basil them give when the man they kill hog. You get the belly. As a youth. You get the belly. And you get the
Give me 2.
you get the belly.
Yeah.
You get the fatty part of the titty so.
You play with hog titty.
You little youth.
Why you play with hog titty? What about hog titty?
Big boss can't tell you about it.
No.
Big mouse, chungy them.
Oh, a big mouse? Oh.
Anyway, in big boss. Big boss and Henry them can't tell you about it, man. Hog tripe and see me cook and there so. The man Dino.
Are they not cooking good enough?
No, not Dino.
Are you cooking or not cooking good?
No, we are little boy, we cook
They
what?
not cooking good.
No, we are cook.
How?
Not the moon them and Dino them a cook. And peace belly and there and them. And them a cook. We are little boy. We are trying to have people have a catapult in our back pocket. Eh?
We kill bird.
We kill bird because we are little boy and we walk and we make noise and we have to quiet. The only thing we can do is pick up bird and put in our pocket and pick them. They take we reach up and take.
I did a fully bird them where
Aye.
jump up. No official
Bird,
big
yeah,
bird.
no
Bird,
perch,
so-
no. And they sitting there. We not
I
shoot
don't
them
know
sitting
if
there.
I've seen it.
We not shoot them sitting there. A Demon there, a Dino. Not Demon. Dino. Peace Belly.
Peace belly.
Darren. Steve. Them man they know, them man they are sharpshooter.
So how name Peace belly now?
Peace Belly have me uncle, his son.
Now how him get the name there now?
He father name Peace Belly. They must love they call him Peace Belly. Inheritance, and the name they inherit. He inherit nothing else. He inherit no wealth, I no house, you only inherit in here.
You sure you want to say that from the camera?
Eh? Yes, man, I talk about Peace Belly. I'm a general. I'm a cousin, you know.
Okay.
I'm a two first cousin, man.
Okay.
Peace Belly, I'm a G. Yes, man.
Whoa, Thais, you're good for something.
Catch breadfruit. Yeah, man, Peace Belly, I'm a G, man. And so we catch a bird, them and we cook. One pot of bird soup.
Eh,
Yes, man.
bird soup
So I didn't see them and see how we can go in the hills and cook
something.
some tripe and something.
Yeah, man. Because we're not a serious chef, so we have to have a cookout. So when we come back in October, when,
Some big tripe, man, and some...
me no eat I get some fish.
You have to taste it, man. You have to eat it. We have a cookie.
Pig tripe.
Pig intestine. You mean, man?
Pig intestine, not tripe.
I was clean pig
Intestine.
Intestine.
Reel out the small ones.
I mean, man.
Yo, you're a black man, you know, man.
Eh.
And that the white man them usually give it for eating.
So what am I to do it now?
Oh, you mean say why you eat now? We ask, I want to
Go back to your roots.
You mean my slave roots?
Oh, you mean?
I would think.
Our ancestors them pass it down power wherever the
I slavery that.
No, where you forget about it?
You know, say.
No, man, I joke,
Yeah.
man. You can't forget where you come from, you know,
I
where you
guess
go.
where I come from, Africa, where I come from, whenever you see
No,
some of them
we don't
things.
come from Africa.
We're not talking about Africa.
We're not talking from, we don't come from Africa, we are descendants of Africa. Me a Jamaican. We generation passed down.
Are you an African or a Jamaican?
You guys said two.
You are descendant from Africa, man. But
Your
you're
four
not
parents.
African.
So you mean say you're going to eat pig intestine because Jamaica slavery did I eat
No,
it?
I mean, I said because that. No, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Me not say because of that you are going to eat pig intestine. But we say you have to embrace your culture. The pig feet and the tripe. You know what I talk about. Research it. The pig feet and the tripe and the head and the tongue and everything. That the black people them usually get.
And it's not pig
Yeah, we
feet,
know
it's
that.
hog foot.
The hog food. Whatever we call it pig chatters.
Pig chatters, but the right word for it is hog
We
foot.
call it pig chatters. And that they usually give the black people them to eat because they have the lean part and the little nice part and sitting. And we
you know
usually
when
take
you
care
left-
of them the part there. And we
You know
turn
when the
it.
pepper-
Yo, listen to me,
I'm
man.
telling you, my bag.
Then they sit there and turn that delicacy in, man.
Yeah.
You know that already, you know. Pig one little sitting where you cut off of the pig, so you know one little line. One little sitting. You know much money for that, for just wrap one little bacon and sitting. A pig it a go wrap same way, you know, but plus you get the flavour. You get the
for pig chatters.
you get the 5-star event. I want to
But
hear about
if you
man.
want one
Then
good
they
hog
tell you
foot,
white man
you have
go-
to rear
Me
your
nah
hog
deny
foot.
that.
Hey, me no can't get that chocha here. Me can't get that one here.
Eat.
For plant.
Yeah, man, you can
Just drop in them dirt and I'm gone. Right? Hey dog, you rushed me earlier today, you know. Easy yourself.
Hey, plant.
Taste. Never get Rob fine blood.
So right, what is? Where you get that cushion?
Right. Put it on this for me.
Right.
God is with you, my brother.
You say taste. When the pepper they ripe off, I know pepper. Come on.
See the people when they go plant. Just put that in some dirt and keep water it.
Yeah, man, I like that, man. You haven't been up sitting to, you know.
Right,
Sure.
are your-
The shed.
are your
The shed.
cultivation
Listen,
is-
Put it up so.
don't let the dirt, sir. You
Yeah.
can't leave that part now. This is the eye. You want under the dirt.
Okay, thank you.
Simple that.
Roy, how you buy this?
Alright, give it a.
I grow that.
Tell us, yeah, you go.
And you might not tend to that large.
No, see, Joe.
Like carrot, you never see? By the tomb there.
Make it dry now.
You don't have to walk and looking at people place. A roadside no work. The bigger of a ganja tree in front of the tomb. When you touch master scene, you see the ganja tree.
I know see me a chime in, remember Ella the name with the I can't remember.
Who?
Malucine.
You couldn't remember my name?
Who remember my name? I swear.
Sorry for you.
And I just with the end no.
No history.
Yeah, no style.
You remember purpose? I bet you have another 2 pickles.
Or something, you remember my name.
Remember purpose come down on my ground, yo. If you see it, you say, yeah, me I want a bunny.
I saw him not even call me and say, yo, pick up something. You want to bun it?
No, he give me herb when he smoke, he plant the bushman. And me get in. And me get in herb when he's...
Christopher.
You see it?
If you go down there, see what I feel in purple, every leaf funny purple.
Oh, you never show me that.
I show me when I go down there, I show you the weed, but then I can't look at it, buddy. Like you know, see. That's how we chew, young man. I might give me seed, you know. My name again? Patrick. Patrick, give me seed, you me growing, man. I'm just dig out 2 July and planting, but some of them mad. You the mad one, them dash me.
That's what they do. That's what they do, me know.
But you treated them out, call you.
Yo, yeah, some man have green finger, you know.
That's why sometimes it makes sense.
Some man buy with the green finger, I mean, I buy with it, but everything me plant, I say me raise a goat and that then.
You can't believe that the weed is.
Yeah. No, I'm not trying to gamble with it. You see me? I tell you the truth. Ask them when the Ludi alone me gamble. I gamble bad man.
I want 1 little peg now.
You see me?
You raise goat and then dead.
Raise? Can't raise nothing. Can't grow nothing. Me try but can't, you know come. Me plant a weed one time when it grow and sit down me plant. Nah grow. Someone have a gift brother. You see me? Me dey buy YouTube regular. Me tell you say, there's a man, me anti-social, you know. You see me? So if me nah raise with somebody who real, me nah raise none at all. So me dey buy myself. And me dey na me YouTube as there. You know say YouTube give most things. Some people come in and give motivation speak and them thing there. And you take it in here and go easy. So me advise every youth more time say, yo, listen to me, you see, sometimes you have some problem or something. You have to vent out and everybody have to know. You keep it to yourself. And Google say certain things constructive by YouTube.
Make it constructive.
Because constructive criticism today and constructive advice today, you know. You see me? I have to seek it, you know. Because Bible don't tell you, you have to seek knowledge, you know.
Any video. Spice up.
Yeah, man, you have to seek what you want, man.
Spice up.
So if I evil, you know, I evil, you go seek.
Tell them say, I guess.
I love stand-up comedy, you know. Yeah, man, I love stand-up comedy, man. So when I do on YouTube, I most like me this stuff. And I Google the comedians all over the world. And most of them comedians, them successful and them broke, them rich and them keep them success staying way. That's why I tell you about people. They have different type of people. You can't expect 10 people to do the same thing. 10 people can't do the same thing. 10 people have 10 different options.
But wait,
10 different things.
Wait there, what going on with your head? You never did shape so last year.
There you go.
It's kind of sharp, I know.
It's grow.
Like something going on with you.
It's grow.
You know, take off your hat.
Tell him I say tap smoke when I see you put on body weight and yesterday for your show last. Every time I say tap smoke.
You tap smoke?
Long time. The man tap smoke, you see man I put on body weight and sitting.
So who convinced you for
Proud
stop
of him.
smoking?
Yeah?
The wife? She ever beat you yet? Like
Knock
just...
knock. Knock knock even with you.
She slapped you in the bed.
Woman have good influence
You have
in
some
your
woman,
life.
you know, after certain things, you know, them get mad at you, you know,
No,
and
but-
slap you, you know. You ever deal with your wife and she just, you do the thing and, you know, slap you? Like, slap you in your head.
And that's it, yeah, I do. Yo, me just get fed up on this though, is that? Yeah, go pumpkin.
When I get that pumpkin there? I will give that pumpkin.
Come, Cables and me 1 piece to cook my soup.
Who want to get it from?
For the farm.
Are you a get pumpkin, man? Put it
Give
over there.
thanks. Jamaica Good Life.
That's it, thanks, man.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
love it, man. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's in the fridge?
Yes.
Or from your farm?
No, down at the backyard.
Just the backyard?
Yes.
I put it in the van for me. Thank you. So your wife beat you more time?
I don't beat. Constructive criticism, man.
So me know say what defines a Jamaican woman? What makes her strong? When does she cry? If you forget her birthday, when does she?
Oh, that's not a birthday I wish Jamaican woman I cry on my birthday and Valentine man them sit there. Sometimes I remember say happy birthday.
You're a tough man. I do you make you so tough.
No, sir.
What you mean? So you not celebrate your birthday, no?
We have a drink case, but like this big old gallivanting now. Remember, so we have children, then so we have to think about them now. So, like, because say we all go out, dress up and go out. No, so we just cook and go meal.
If my birthday, I have my money.
If you have your money,
I mean,
papers.
But we don't have it like that, so we
No, but that's what I saw him say team things.
I have a little bit of money, I go out much less.
Yo, Doggy, that say, yo, you want to have money that way? You can go for the night course here on a weekend.
No, I mean.
But
I'm planning
and that's why you see industry now make it affordable for come on man like we if you got a hotel. Make it cheap, like you say, $50 US. You know what's money that?
And a $50 US, $100
No,
per night.
No. But that's say $50 US. I beg you family member $50 US to feed yourself and buy like a rice and you know but I pick up here $50 US a hotel and I'm more than that, you know. Even if you put it there so. I say, boy, I go cheat yourself and you can put in $150 US.
I money out of my ground. I go spend all $100,000 hotel and cheat 2 nights on the weekend.
No, sir, I mean,
I mean, so
that will never happen.
That
It never happen. That will never happen. If I leave my carry go hotel 3 nights for 100,000, now
be cheap still no.
Yo,
me a cheapy still no.
That 100,000.
Me a cheap
you
man.
know how much things that can fix.
3 years and the year I done.
If you go give somebody 100,000 for 3 nights,
Cheap man.
Wait there. They have bubble bath, they have roses on the bed, they have champagne.
I chocolate for your pillar.
They have champagne. They have cereal in the morning with orange and coffee. And you even get the do not disturb sign on the door. You can't use that in your yard.
Yes,
Pick them and go come in anyway.
I can't just have my room if I want.
No,
you can't.
Wait. When you say it like that, no.
You got everything for
No, when you have somebody where you want to spend your life with, like, you can't do that.
Spending man.
You're not spending.
Spending your money.
No, yeah, you start.
I am not
making money.
money.
Spending.
You say
I don't have it.
Oh, man.
I know you, and your man is spending upon you. You have to get treated right. But pedicure, manicure, and sanitary cure.
I can do my pedi, my sunny or whatever.
Wait, no. You forget.
Body cure, front cure, back cure,
Alright then, look here.
side cure,
Alright, yes.
upper cure, down cure.
Look at you have
Them are gonna rub down everything.
Yes, you have 3 children going to high school. 2 going to
Hey,
high
hey,
school.
hey.
Going to primary
Sometimes you
school.
have to forget say you have picnic.
No, we can't forget them. No, we can't
Believe in
forget them.
that too.
No, me
And
not
that's the
forget
problem
them.
with
I will never forget mine.
And that you see my mother.
Can't forget it.
See
You
my
can't
mother.
spend all your money by your picking.
No, sir.
My mother single
So
single
Interpol
mother.
down if your back say
You have to go strip club some more time. I mean, you know what I
My
mean.
mother single mother. My mother sing. I mean, no, said she work hard to her
Well,
bonus and thing. But
if
he look.
20,000
I thinking them in the
can
code
do
for
the
us.
hotel business, then that I go do it. But the next 80, I have to come back. You think me when I go to Christian, I go buy 1 box to the 500 and eat it? No.
Dagina, how is that?
I will never have 2 children.
I see can't come on the log you walk on the
Alright, what if you get a limousine with it?
I'll be catch by it me buy
I
my
said
food.
it now.
As if picking them start to go back KFC.
And you pick them have to come too?
Yes.
You pick them
All
have to...
inclusive.
When me say no.
Them have for them room and we
Alright,
have food.
and that's why I'm telling you, say Dagina different. As Dagina turn off a hill so. And the KFC when I pick him start look over the Dagina.
I just find the road of my food nearby.
Oh, you
You
mean?
mean so?
When
Spending
I
your
go
money,
out to
sir.
When I go out to do my business, I take care of business.
That you start buying the food. I saw my mother tell you that.
Me not buy
Yo,
no
just
food
keep the money
first.
my God.
No, you see I saw my mother tell.
Look after
When me a
business
pass
first.
man the fly my mother, we see me a pass there. So it's the KFC that man was here. I forget them to do business.
Yes.
First.
Me I start up my business first.
Yeah, but man
I
not
don't know,
answer.
I guess I kill the money my fist doctor.
But man not answer, you know. And that's why I see man don't really have no money. Man, woman always stable financially wise.
True. I didn't buy the
You see
land.
me?
Because man always I say, yo, picking your ball, me a game that.
Always I go dance and gamble.
When the woman we say making ball.
When we go shopping, and we carry the children them, as they pass, mommy, which one I road KFC they pan again? I said I don't know.
Pick them out to the exercise.
I was telling
But me now, I now walk past KFC like no one time. Me now walk past KFC if I don't want the bread roll.
Yeah, big man.
Hey. We now get famous.
Yeah, big man.
People are going to donate money to us so no can go KFC every weekend.
Yeah, big man.
Send the money come to Doggy and Biggs.
Yeah, big man, you know.
And take.
No. Listen, I fuck me, I tell you, you're big man. And to certain guys, you're big man and you have your budget.
Yeah.
You know, say you have to pay your fare, and you know, say you have to take care of yard, and you know, say if you spend the money, you go hungry. You pass at KFC sometime in your taxi and you come like, you want to have over the two, you know. Imagine you're like a 6-year-old, and you're 5-year-old, and you're 8-year-old, and pass KFC. Come on, man.
When Lexi,
You have to stop, man.
when Lexi liquor.
KFC,
I
nobody
can't
does
see a better
it.
than
I
TV.
can do it better.
Anytime it come by TV, me have to turn off it.
You
Yes.
start on the Remember?
When
Remember
KFC
to,
advertise,
I see you big girl now.
TV.
You my big girl slow with this song. Remember to, I'm a dog in a veggie for a long time.
Turn
Long time, I tell you.
turn off the TV when KFC advertise it.
Long time, I dog in a veggie.
chicken. That's the girl is strong this.
I have to turn off it. One whole soda imagine at night time. Dog in a carry soda for you. Dog in a carry me soda. If you don't carry no soda, you ball one neck.
Sleep
And
and
you not
KFC
sleep.
advertise, she wake up.
That's the girl. You know what craving?
Then how do you go past KFC now and they must swing?
That can go KFC
So the
too soon.
ventilation are sitting there, you know, pass there and
I
not give
can't
nothing.
forget one time we carry a girl KFC.
Time
The girl take
KFC
the chicken
too
leg
soon.
thing away.
I
In a
saw
KFC.
my mother, I saw every
Take
woman.
my chicken leg out of the plate.
Every
throw it
strong
on the
woman I saw
floor.
the internet.
Why? Is she upset?
Baby.
Because strong woman know if you make certain sacrifices, you know. You can't do that, man. Yeah. I get serious now, you know. I buy a long time. Woman hold on woman because they know the potential of woman, you know. Believe it or not, you know. I straight me, I tell you, me feel it in my essence, in my willing to talk about it, you know.
When man go a supermarket,
What me say?
you know, look on the price.
What me say? Woman!
Me know.
Woman!
Me hear what I say. Talk. Wait there.
Yeah, when man go a supermarket, you look on the price.
Just
And me
take
a
up.
go in there. When him a buy one tin of milk, me a buy 3 pack of Lasco.
That's so man, that's so me done. Me look back.
Kind of look on the
Oh,
price.
baby, just go buy me
And
McDonald's
in the
in my
one
mouth.
tin of milk probably last 2 days. When the Lasco that can 1 pack per
No,
day.
me look by price. Got me cheap, you know. Me cheap.
Me
So,
have
so
one.
wait, the dog, you know, I live a different lifestyle.
Yes, kind of watch the price.
No, me cheap. Me watch price. Me cheap. Me
If
cheap.
you watch
No,
the price.
me cheap. Hey, me go in the supermarket and me look at every different brand of mackerel. The cheapest what me I buy. I see a mackerel.
And because I buy sitting at Grace sitting by.
Yeah, if you
Who?
go straight
That-
Grace.
Because he name Grace and he long time. And the cheap mackerel me I buy. Me support
Yeah.
a small entrepreneur. You just buy it in a
But
mackerel.
this is a James Bond fellow, the high class man. This
He don't watch the
I'm
price.
a high class man. This.
No, me watch price buy. And
Me,
cheapest
I mean,
mackerel me I
I
buy.
go to supermarket. Me, I walk over there. So, you see, if the last over here is for 135, me, I go over there for 129. Me, I buy over there and me walk over 1.
Don't worry.
So me that. Me a cheap.
On the fans them are gonna support when I go
No, me
KFC
cheap.
every
Me
weekend.
cheap. Me cheap.
All if him go to KFC,
Me
me
cheap.
come home with 9
Me
pieces of
cheap.
chicken. That 3 me, I carry home.
And 9 piece.
Me
Yes, me, I carry home 3 pieces. 1 piece I cut in a 2 for 2 away and 2 for negative piece. What him I come in with? Enough.
Everybody can
I
say
buy
this.
food eat.
Say man to buy
When you work,
food.
it's
But
food.
then,
That's
how
not
you
true.
go-
Me, I saw me tanto.
Yes.
No,
But
picking
look
it.
here,
Yeah, no, me, I'm picking a different thing.
You are going 9 pieces of chicken today.
You're
No.
not hungry tomorrow.
Make you enjoy today. I picking, you know.
hungry.
Memories last forever. You know.
You're not hungry tomorrow.
Let me say.
Me want my
memories
KFC. If I somebody KFC,
last-
you
I
want-
eat the food
Remember.
you're trying tomorrow for what more money.
Yeah, man.
That's true.
I used to be picking and enjoy.
Yeah,
Memories last forever, man. You want to put an impression.
True. Don't
My
don't forget to charge up your phone and take picture of the
My
chicken
father.
them when you buy them.
My father. My
Cause when the
father.
picture start talk to you about more chicken, see the picture you're tapping on.
My fondest memory. My fondest memory of my father, you know. I remember my father come from a foreign, you know, and see me I go to school, you know. But I think we go to school that day, you know. And can me get a man different and buy me brand new shoes. What me say? Brand new shoes and burger and say.
Yeah man, you know the greatest thing in your life?
Bad man.
And when people come and you little and then get you something, Lord
No,
God,
my father.
life change, right?
My father, me I tell you.
Mm.
My father.
A long time you don't see him.
No, he
Yeah,
there.
one
He
little
there,
business
no,
woman here, you know.
that's Satan.
Yeah, one look businesswoman, right? I go.
Yeah.
From before she too, she has spend money. Yes. When she is small and the shop did a year and she in a shop. I say if you spend the money, you get the money. And she spend money. She reached a step 9 in a planning her business. Yeah, she reached a step 9. Yeah, reached a step 9 in a planning her business. Meaning she Google it, you know, and write it on paper. Say when she grow, she will be her own entrepreneur. She'll go to have her own business and she reached a step 9.
Like they'll tell you about it.
Yeah, she reached a step 9 in her.
That's your daughter.
Like that's yeah, one of those tell me. You see what everybody had and say, me just want you strong. And stay same way.
That's what you said to daddy?
Yeah. And how much?
9. 9, I live now.
You live now. I tell him that he say, I want you to stay strong. That's why I work my money. I buy you nice shoes, and your nice pants, and dress you up and carry you out. If you look good, we just want you to stand same way.
Wow.
Remember what that vibes, man.
I saw him turn with you.
If she call it
Real
first
to the
thing,
bone.
yeah,
Real,
so
down
if
to
you
you.
alright.
You can't get on real like that.
Your daughter strengthen you up.
Yeah, man.
When me say, right
And
there
say him
so,
I go take you out.
when me say, right there so with there. Because you see your father work hard.
The way you treat them,
And you see your father put his food on the table. And you see your father send him go to school. When me say, me tell you already, you know. Real, no real, you know. Real.
Doggy now. That's why she love you so much.
You
That's why she love you so much.
know if you love a man with ambition and dream. You cannot do that. Because you're a taboo man.
I see it now.
You mean?
I forget to know them now, because the people want to get to know now.
Remember saying the old people always say, me always say, but old people always are saying, you see me? I say go, you know.
Lexi, we not get the phone.
The old people saying, I say you always go.
Dinner
Yeah,
time.
man. The time me have a fish, I go and I saw salt water.
Eh?
So go buy some fish.
And the cook beef soup, me cook me something.
Eh? Beef and fish are enough.
No, just beef alone, man.
I want fish. Me
Cut piece of that, give me. Get
half
it there.
one.
Let's cut off piece of that, man. Cut off piece of that.
Because me want to just buy one fish.
Eh?
And
Take
some
me come back
crackers.
from me gang game, man.
Until December. You see December?
Show me now, go
Me
down
nah name no rice, no yam, no starchy
there.
food.
Show me pumpkin and sell it today.
Until December.
You know what?
No starchy food, just crackers and flour and wheat, but I eat me eat. Just crackers alone. Yeah man, me nah beat no. Cause 200 an hour, 240.
My brother them say them go buy a fish the weekend, yeah. Me for tomorrow them a go.
Go and reach back at 210 pound man.
Brother, some youth, some go down there go buy fish. Must be Saturday.
We don't down the second man. If you have one bucket of fish, you go down and say 6,000, you packet take it to whole heap of fish.
How much fish you get? Fish deal down there. You know go down there where you fish deal down there. Go down
Wait,
there now.
me and uncle Maya go down there say 8,000 a man spend. And nearly one bucket of fish he bring home. Just me tell you. Whole heap of fish.
Fine fish.
Fish fine fish.
Fish, big fish.
No, rough cut. 600 a pound.
Snapper.
The lobster them are 600 a pound. You know, me bad for lobster you know.
You cook?
Ah, we are talking about.
Woo!
You see I cook some shrimp, so me nah bash it.
No, I know. Them didn't cook too long.
No, me nah bash it still you know. You see I cook shrimp.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, you want chicken chef now, Ready, cut all it. So I cook ginger shrimp. You see how the blood clot.
Garlic shrimp.
Garlic shrimp. No, the garlic shrimp can work.
The garlic shrimp,
But
nice.
he still don't do it. Oh, if you do. And then he must say, what ginger shrimp must say, boy, cut up your head, chop all big old slice of ginger. I say, I love you. Me say, yo, he can't cook still, you know.
It would happen to you.
You know what thing still in about it, boy, cooking still, yeah, try anything.
Because you know eat pork, well, it would happen to you. Like you eat
You have seen when I cook a shrimp, I have all the curry shrimp, I say, yo, it's a cook down. All 5 minutes, me have to buy YouTube service. Rubbery, man.
Yes,
That shit was supposed to have
Yo, and That one they mess up. That one they mess
You
up.
know this is too.
A long time you don't cook it. So then now the real chef them say, Randy, a quick thing, you know.
Yeah.
Me never remember. So, but that's but that's why them talk to the TV.
I know,
That's why people get mad. When them say me I do sitting at the bush, remember say me I fry fritters with passion fruit. And them say, what dip? You know how much people over the world try it and love it?
Yeah.
Let me tell you what I cooked the other day. You would never believe it. So after the caramel dumpling go back in the fridge. Hard up. So I have to add some water to soften it back up, you know, half the door. Me put it in the pot. Then now the caramel dumpling turn into kind of like a porridge. So
you mix the dough and put it in the fridge.
So yeah, and then me take it back out now.
I need it.
I need it, you know.
The only way you put dough in the fridge unless I raise.
No, but you hear me I say no.
Let
Let go. Let me say what I say. Let go. So you hear me say. So I put it in the pot now. And I notice the water kind of porridge. So I just throw some green banana in it with the skin on it. Put some coconut milk on it too. Cut up. So it's a porridge, sip, what that soup. Okay. So then you don't know. No. I have some over the house. We can bring some. No. But yeah, guess what I put in it too? Somebody have half a roast breadfruit in the fridge. Me cut slice it up and put in it too.
The porridge cornmeal?
It's a soup, a sip, and a wait the soup, sip, and a porridge.
You cook all in one?
Everything.
Alright, look here. You did a cook soup?
No.
Porridge?
Let me tell you how the thing start out. Me did want to boil the caramel dumpling. But because me did freeze it and take it out.
You put any flour in the fridge?
If there's flour in it, but it never freeze in the fridge. But when you go in the pot, no, when you go in the pot, one of them go broke up.
The only way you put dough in a fridge, bad man, unless I bake it.
And you want it for rice?
But me did left it over for the next day.
Eh?
Me never did
No,
one.
man.
So you can't put dough in the fridge?
No. Me say depends on the
you
dough.
can put dough in the fridge.
Dough with wheat.
You can't
and
put
baking
caramel in
powder.
the fridge.
You can't put in if you make that. No, man. That's,
So me never know.
What you do? I try to make a turn cornmeal and it go bad.
No, I wanted me did want the caramel dumpling them. But two of them or three go broke up.
Then why you never if you don't put the cornmeal in the fridge, you make the dough. Use the flour and base then.
Yo, sometimes see man.
But me never put no flour in it.
Dog, yeah, you don't have to.
Can you make cornmeal dumpling without flour?
No, I did not put enough.
How if you have ingredients in front of you, I don't know where you add to get taste. You see me?
Hear me I say.
Eh?
Hear me I say. I have a video with another pot me I go say no. It wicked. And the top chef of Vancouver see it, you know.
Listen to me. You can't
Don't tell me nothing, you know. Wait till me and you have a cook out. Wait till me and you have a cook down. Nobody style me one like a shrimp dish where you see me. The world love me.
The whole place. I'll ginger man cut the ginger.
So how long you put the shrimp?
One thing, you only think about that ginger shrimp there. When you say the skin kind of get more flavor. That's the only thing good thing you say about that ginger shrimp.
The skin?
That's the only thing you say about that ginger shrimp there.
So the shrimp didn't get the skin?
No, the skin, you have to just wash off it lightly. But left the skin on it, you get more flavor.
The ginger? No, sir.
Alright, I'm going to cook something else and show you. My fried carrot.
Blanch your carrot. You don't fry carrot, but blanch your thing.
Oh, go on.
Yo, I should have you know, man.
Hey, me break all the rules. Me break rules.
No, you can't break rules with this. Yo, check in. Hey, take in Chef Gardner Ramsay.
Hey, them boy they are idiot compared to me.
No, a 5-star.
Me break rules.
A 5-star cooking with you, but a hog feed thing you do with
But
that.
we are talking about hog feed.
A hog feed is you do with bad.
Hey, me fry the carrot, slice off a little bit of the sour orange peel, and fry that too with it. Lick you already. Eh? Then me dip like a coconut.
So that will pass issue.
Easy.
Hey.
Where did I make the area?
You see them people here, sir?
Yeah, man, they want to push it in.
At the salmon.
They want to push it in.
At the salmon. That's why you need the tang for this fish. Huh?
And the carrot,
And then you get the fresh.
Remember say salmon no cook long night, I know. And everybody can cook. But I'm like, you're not big salmon chef, you know. Someone
Me just didn't want the sour orange taste.
You so know if I saw I had feed you cook bad man. Yeah, man. Someone have a cook with the pig and real nice.
One day we are going to cook. One day we are going to
Someone have
cook.
to well scissor.
You see me? Me different with it.
Someone, you see?
Me different. Me different with it. Me I tell you some he's an artist. Me
Best
different
salmon.
with it. Let me tell you how me
You can't
kneel
get no fresh salmon
me
in
tell
Jamaica.
you how me kneel me cornmeal dumpling.
Yeah.
Me slice up scotch bonnet pepper.
And I dumpling.
No me tapping eyes, make me done. You see me I need my cornmeal flour dumpling.
With the pepper in there.
Slice up scotch bonnet pepper. Slice up a little bit of turnip fine. I'm a slice up. Shut up now! I'm tapping eyes!
No, I'm not saying.
Tapping eyes, make me done tap.
You must have the different than you just use.
Use it too pussy. Everything you have me. No, man, you can't see
Wait.
Look here.
And then me slice up some scallion and me need the flour. You see when you cook that now some coconut milk and take that out.
It's nice.
And then sometime me put the saltfish in the cornmeal dumpling too.
Yes.
Doggy, that.
Doggy now. You see, him a no creative chef. Him just a
You never had no
chef.
critic. You never had no critic.
Me don't need no critic. Me
What you
artist.
mean? You must have your critic there.
Then the girl them no love
You
it.
want that? No. You have to know how it is. Are you cooking? You eat this, you say, oh, this is good, man. Oh,
When me show them
this is-
on YouTube,
Oh.
them say, Randy, we love it.
Love what?
Let it taste.
You know, people
You see
on
how yourself are
people on the internet,
Oh,
all them have to do is see it. All they have to do is see it.
turn it, bad man. I'll turn it. You know, say, I'll beetroot on the city. When I use I'll beetroot, I'll little bit of use the juice, you know. Someone see my slice up here and sit down.
A little fine turnip. When you ever eat turnip cornmeal dumpling yet, see, don't know about nothing. I know St. Mary you come from.
At Manchester, we come from.
Where
I don't
does it
want
come
to hard feed the cooking that.
We grew up.
Remember
You never left the bush. You never left the bush gone away. You not gone away. See the bush there. You not gone nowhere. So you not gonna know nothing. Not gone away. Me an artist.
So you think, yo, remember say what they are saying now? You so carry 14 parish of Jamaica, right here so.
From Manchester?
Right up on the hill, right up where you see we there.
Right where you turn up.
Right where you turn up. Can we got it anywhere you want to go in a Jamaica? Right here so. Can't care about the 14
So you say
parish.
this is the heart of Jamaica?
I not really the heart about me tell you say. You can't care about the 14 parish. No other parish you can live out of. And go to the 14 parish, but Manchester. Every parish you come out of Manchester, have to take hill. And corner. I just saw a few bird places, that's how we know.
But you now have to introduce yourself to other cuisine.
Cuisine,
Like
what?
scallion dumpling.
I feed them, go talk about introduce that. Listen to me, man.
I put scale in a dumpling, I put scale in a fritters.
Not fritters.
Ah.
No, not fritters, but
But
I
I
do.
know that.
I don't know.
You put scale.
Hey.
Yo,
Hey,
You like salt dog again?
whoa, easy way I say.
the method where him use now. That's another type he use, you know.
Didn't make no dough.
No.
They make no dough
No.
for
Who
boil.
make up rules in a cooking?
Eh?
Who make up rules? A Rasta man in a St. Mary will do something different. One in a Portland will do something different.
Alright.
Ah, how you think beef patty invent? It was an accident. And no food accident, you know.
No people don't like beef patty.
But no food accident.
But no. Me say majority have to do with majority.
And 90% of food are
No.
accident.
The majority-
When caveman in a cave, then they are no menu.
Me
How
not
was
busy-
it there a recipe?
Yo, you're not busy with minority in the food. You're not busy with minority. If 5% don't like your food and 95% if you eat the food, it's good. If you cook your food and once somebody complain and say, yo, me have a belly ache, he might have an allergic reaction to that type of food. But one to the other 5,
All right,
you eat it.
all
I don't
right.
know them.
You see when I cook the cornmeal dumpling with the scallion,
Cornmeal, porridge, dumpling.
right?
And the parents jumping and sleep. And same thing.
In a while.
3 and the hog feed. Me? No, sir. Hog feed me.
And things that make you strong, man. Your woman love you after you drink that.
No, listen to me, man. Man,
I never seen nobody drink
no
dumpling.
disrespect. No
Who drink
disrespect.
dumpling?
No disrespect.
Then when
Yes,
you drink
no
cornmeal
dumpling.
porridge, not dumpling you drink.
Oi.
No, porridge is
Oh, is that?
not dumpling.
What do you mean porridge
You
is
know,
different
say
from
there
dumpling?
is a differences though.
Go on.
There is a difference. And you see come with the cooking now. A hog feed you cook bad man. Me say hog feed. Me a chef you come like a pudding and put on me thing. You have to study your thing.
All right. So why is it a world chef just to make this recently and have to copy it.
Which world chef?
Me make you talk to her.
Yo,
World
what?
chef, international, cook for the prime minister, and see me and cook my thing and I
Which prime
copy
minister
it.
you cook for?
No, tell-
Jamaica prime minister.
What do you mean?
I text you and take your menu and make it different.
I want to know that chef and give me a slap in the
You
face.
see, when him see me pot, world chef, look on my style and say, yo, my youth, me never knew you could have broke the rules like that. But the pot look nice and fat.
What fat is the panny?
But I just keep cramping my style. I'm not gonna cook for you. Me I go cook for you.
Food that feel look presentable. Easier explain that to me look well. It's a graphic image you put on my mind still, I don't really see it, you know. But means that man have a good imagination, I can watch only for TV. So when you put all of them, I mean a chef and you put all of them, say, me look put like me well hug feed give a hug, nothing me cook.
I don't like on the rules, you know.
What you mean in the rules? I will put rules in the food, you can't break rules, bad man, like you can't cook certain things and put certain things there. You can't
Then some people know in a sentence want to have a soup name everything. Then put gungo peas in a porridge.
Alright, me know what you're talking about, you know.
You never put gungo peas in a porridge yet?
No. I ain't that really place.
And a soup, you know? A porridge.
If you look funny, you know, if every ingredients is going into that point. Me see them running from on the YouTube and see with the crayfish, with the lobster, with the shrimp, the lobster, the skunk. They put all of the seafood and see with the corn, sweet potato, Irish potato, yam, breadfruit, everything, and they do one pot. They say the sweet pot. But they still can't put everything in it. How you that all vanilla night now? How vanilla reach?
Have you ever heard I said vanilla?
No, I'm not show you. Me say how vanilla reach night, but you say come like say you want to show everything in
No, sir.
No, I can't.
Me not break the kind of rules there.
No,
Me's a
but
straight man.
I tell you for rules, I tell you for break no. You show vanilla in a soup. You got show vinegar in a soup. I rules say I break in a can. You say I
No,
cut it.
sir. No, Roger. Me never said that. My thing official, Roger. No,
Me
make
say me
them
see when I
lie
cook
for
for
me.
YouTube, this man, me say me cry shame, man, me say lag get away in there, so I cook say, and in family, I cook for it either.
I feel the TV me I cook for.
What TV?
Me want the people that mad.
I hear TV interview your family, I say, oh, is it this guy? Everybody else I say, Randy, this thing is robbery. And this shrimp on the taste, it is not all.
Me dey tired. Me forget anything no cook so long. A long time me never have shrimp.
Me cook sweet, that's how I
But me know say you're
right
good,
now.
sir.
What
Me
shrimp?
know say you're
Curry
good.
shrimp.
So who teach you to cook Chinese food?
And that woman I called for yesterday, I want to get to them. You want to talk to him? You want to talk to him?
Yeah. A big chef.
You're a big chef, my lad.
You see,
Me challenge you.
you're gonna challenge me.
Me challenge you, you're a big chef. Me use the same type of ingredient, and we are gonna have 3 different testers. And we are gonna blindfold, then I gonna know which so you're not gonna have no favorite. Them are gonna taste it blindfold, them are not gonna know say for you, then I gonna know for me.
You know what? When you share the dish, make Randy carry for you, you carry for Randy.
No, so me not care for him, me not care for him.
Yeah, man.
We just carry 2 of them one time.
Yeah, I hope so. You protect yourself from the thing. Yeah, man. Get a breadfruit, get some corn. We're gonna dry those corn and plant them. But up here, we got a chocho, which we're gonna plant. So I gotta take care of this. I gotta plant this chocho and set up some place for it to run. I'm probably gonna plant it near the bamboo tree then. We got some passion fruit, got some pepper. We got 2 different flavor pumpkins. This one's from the dragon. This is from the country there. We got a lot of lime and thing. Got some lime and thing. And these are not fully ripe. Got a little tangerine. So this is so cool. Get some food from the country and thing. So now if you link up with the farmers and thing, Jamaica Good Life. A lot of ants step on it, come left up on the counter. But this is the life. Jamaica Good Life. Yes, people. This is a jackfruit. Got this yesterday, so I'm gonna cut off a piece for the neighbor. In Jamaica, in Mandeville, we share with our neighbors. So may I go just cut this for my neighbor. Love. Cut off all the piece there for my neighbor. Good Life. Again, guava. Nice, beautiful guava. My favorite food.